Hi guys, welcome back to my Ankara YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using. Tape roll, this is bridal satin, Ankara fabric, lining, scissors, a zipper, and a very strong interfacing. This is the measurement for this bag: 23 inches by 7 inches for the Ankara fabric, and I have two of these. This is also 23 inches by 7 inches. Then I have my satin fabric here. This is 23 inches by 6 inches. I've already ironed a strong interfacing here. Already ironed a strong interface on the Ankara fabric as well. So what you're going to do is to go to your sewing machine. You're going to attach this together. You're going to stitch this part straight down, and you're going to also stitch this other Ankara fabric on this part straight down. After joining your fabrics together, you're going to go back to your sewing machine and you're going to top stitch on your sewing here, and you're going to top stitch on this other side as well. After top stitching the fabric, then you're going to fold your fabric into two so that you can get the middle. I'm also going to fold this other side into two. Going to fold this way. On that midpoint, that's where I'm folding the Ankara fabric on. Can hold it down and fold this other part. Same on that midpoint. So you see what the back looks like. I'm going to stitch this down, and I'm going to do the same for this side also. Fold it. I'm also going to stitch it down. Look at the back. So guys, I have stitched. Also stitch. And the next thing we want to do is to fix the handle of this bag. So from this side, we measure 4 inches. We mark it. From this other side, measure 4 inches and mark it. So this is where we are going to be fixing the handle of this bag. I'm going to do the same measurement for this side, 4 inches here and 4 inches here. Then this is for the handle. I've already ironed this soft interfacing on the bridal satin, so let's measure. 18 inches by 3 inches. I just folded on yourself like that. So you stitch straight down, and you also stitch this other handle straight down. After stitching the handle, you just place it on your 4 inches this way. You stitch it, you stitch it. I'm also going to stitch this other handle on this other part of the bag. I have fixed the handle of the bag. So the next thing we want to do is to attach the zip to this bag. So you're going to cut out your lining. Let your lining be the same pattern with your Ankara fabric. You can see I've already stitched this. You can see the same pattern with my Ankara fabric. So we are going to join this together with the zip. I'll open this zip and I'll remove it into 2. So I'm going to fix one part here. Turn your zip this way and put your lining on it. Right side of your lining facing the right side of your fabric. On your zip, you're going to stitch. Then this other side, put this other zip here. Place your lining on it. You're also going to stitch straight down. After stitching the lining together, now you want to turn it inside out. When that is done, you go back to your machine. You're going to top stitch. I'm also going to top stitch. After top stitching, then the next thing you want to do is to fold your bag. And now we are going to zip this. When that is done, so now you're going to widen your bag. See, widen your bag. So you're going to stitch straight down and you stitch straight down. You stitch straight down and also stitch. Now you can cut off your excess zip. Before we turn this bag inside out, we're going to fold this part and you measure 1.5 inch. 1.5 inches. I'm going to stitch, and you're also going to stitch this part. and stitch. So we're going to cut it off before we turn the bag side up. And we're going to turn the bag the side out now. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe, like this video and share it to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.